Okay, now for the maths lesson, we need to revise doubles. So if you remember doubles, we get whatever number we have, say 6. To double the 6, we need to add another 6 to it. So it's 6 plus 6, and that will give me 12. Okay, double any number, you just add the same number. So say double 12. To double the 12, we'll add another 12, so it will be 12 plus 12. That will give me 24. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pause this video and I'll write some questions for you. And what you're going to do, in a piece of paper, just double these numbers. Then I'll pause it, try the questions and come back to you. Okay, now these are the questions. You're going to double 7, 5, 3, 11, 14, 23, 18, 19, 29. Just to realize, if I have a big number that I'm going to double, say 27, I add them and I use carrying. Okay, so 27 plus 27, I get 7 plus 7, 14, so I have the 4, carry the 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 2 is 5. Now let's go to the halves. If I get a number and I want to find the half of that number, I split it into 2. So say 8, to get half of 8, I can put it in 2 groups. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and count one group, that will be 4. Or I'll do division. 8 divided by 2, so I just divide it by 2. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So some of you were there when we did the half, and like 6 or 7 students were not there. The ones who were there, I'll write also questions for you, and the ones who are not there, you can answer pages 208 and 209 in the book. The rest I'll write questions for you now. Okay, so these are the questions. Half of 18, 24, 30, 28, 16, 10 and 12. The ones who are going to use the book, say if I get, we're going to do it the silly way. I think you remember the silly way. I'll write an example for you. So if I want half of 22, so the silly way is we get the 22, no, not 22 because we already have it in the book. Okay, say we want half of 32. So we get the 32, split it into 2 numbers, 30 and 2. Okay, it's clear for you like this. Then we get the 32 equals what plus what, so 30 plus 2, again, then we say half of 32 equals half of 30 plus half of 2. Then we get half of the 30, that is 15, plus half of the 2, that is 1. We add them together, that equals 16. So half of 32 equals 16. We have to do it the silly way, that's in the book. But for these questions, you don't do it the silly way. Okay, and then we have something else. I'll pause the video for a second. Okay, there's a worksheet that you're supposed to answer. Say if it's double half of a number, say half of 20. So it's written like this, 20 with these 2, So you just split the 20 into 2 tens. Or it can be a number here like 8. So just gonna double the 8. So you're gonna write another 8 here, and 8 plus 8 equals 16.